This is the latest purchase. It's a, well, as you see, 1845 Special. I think it's a 1984 case skid steer. I'm gonna get started on working on this. Just waiting on some parts right now. But came with one new tire, and they're really not that expensive, so I'm gonna get the other three. Might as well have matching tires. Just do a quick little walk around. It's not bad. I think it weighs just under 6,000 pounds. Well, the hydraulics seem fine. There's leaking, but there's no bleed by, so you lift up the bucket and it stays there. It doesn't move. It's the Special is the gas, so it's just got a little 4-cylinder. It's called like a 159 Sparker, I think. So the other thing that I gotta fix is the manifold right there, cracked. Could be brazed, could be repaired, but I ordered a new one. The muffler's completely just kind of disintegrated. Yeah. I'm gonna try and just find something local because shipping to Fairbanks is so expensive. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little machine. It's got a couple other small problems. The seat's pretty much, yeah, it comes off in like little pieces. But you know, that's all small stuff. I'll probably put some different lights on there. Those aren't even really wired in. Let's see. I haven't started it in a few days. Let's see if this thing will. Man, the mosquitoes are pretty atrocious. Let's see. Probably fire up. Yeah, and since the throttle doesn't stick, the guy I bought it from just. Oh, hey, that's neat. Little display lights. I didn't even notice that. All right, look at options. There you go. That one lever looks like it. Even when you're not pushing on it, it still just kind of whines a little bit like it's engaging, so I'll have to dig into that. Not too bad. But yeah, I gotta do something about this exhaust. No good. I'll post again after I'm done with it. I'll get all tuned up and everything.